In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could play Battlefield 6 split screen here on an Xbox Series X or S. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This is a question that I've got so much in my last couple of videos, so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video breaking this down specifically for Xbox Series X and S. But right now, Battlefield 6 does not support split screen, and realistically, it's very unlikely that it ever will on an Xbox Series X or S. There's a specific reason why, and it's just because Battlefield 6 is designed for those large-scale multiplayer battles, supporting anywhere between 64 to 128 players on those massive maps. So running two players on the exact same screen would cause major performance, UI, and optimization issues. On top of that, the Frostbite engine has never really been built for local split screen gameplay, and historically, Battlefield games have just never supported split screen in the past. So technically and practically, split screen just is not feasible. That being said, you still can play together online with friends, and you can party up with them, use the in-game voice chat, join the same squad in team-based modes. And you can spawn on your teammates and coordinate gameplay that way. So even though you can't play on the exact same screen, you still can absolutely team up and play together online. But that is it. There is no split screen here in Battlefield 6, but online co-op and squad play are fully supported. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.